dealer accidentally shows silver is a waste of time. We are all waiting and losing patience for this metal to move up in price. It has been a solid year since we had our last $10 jump for silver. A year. And now what we're seeing, if you're interested in silver, click that link in the description. Money Metals is holding this contest. They're giving away 20 American Silver Eagles. Every month they hold this contest. It's a lot of fun. It's free. Click that link. You should be the next winner on that list. Check this out.
When you look at the record, gold has performed extraordinarily well over the last 25 years in good times and bad times. And a great example of that is right now, of course, this has been a hard year for stocks. And stocks are down probably the last time I checked. Of course, this changes daily, but down about 7%. And gold is up 27% this year. But last year was a great year for stocks. And stocks were up 23%, but gold beat it at 28%. And when you look back over the last 10 years, 5 out of 10 years, gold has beat the S&P 500.
That is very telling to hear a dealer, really one of the top, showing us that this metal does not perform anywhere compared to gold. You heard what he said. He said that gold, even when Wall Street is performing well, gold is outperforming. That is the opposite of what we have been told for decades. We're always told that gold is the hedge against inflation, and we have to understand that when Wall Street does well, when the dollar does well, gold will remain stagnant. It will even drop. We're always told that. But that clip is showing you the opposite. Now, wouldn't it be wonderful if the word silver was in there instead of gold? That's what we want to hear. But you and I, as silver stackers, again, we're waiting a solid year for this price of silver to move. And add to that really presently, at the time of this recording, we have a silver to gold ratio that is hovering at 100, 102 to 1. And many people, I include myself, we're taking a full ounce of gold and we're swapping it out for this metal because right now, silver is really quite cheap. So we're getting 100 ounces of this for that 1 ounce of gold. And the reason we're doing that is because we believe, as silver stackers who are in this for the long game, we believe that silver is set up to move, that the slingshot is pulled back, the momentum is, we're ready. All the moving pieces that I'm always talking about on this channel, all the moving pieces that are in place to move this metal way beyond $35, way beyond 40, 50, really send it to where it belongs. It's all set to be in motion, but we haven't seen it move. And 12 months is a long time. I'm not going to kid myself. 12 months is a long time. We had a $10 jump last May. Where's our next $10 jump? And I know I'm not alone in questioning this and wondering this. And to hear that clip at the top of this video of how strong gold is and how incredible gold performs even when Wall Street is performing well, it's really telling from a bullion dealer. That's a bullion dealer analyzing this and showing this. It really tells me as a silver stacker that this long haul can be nail biting. It can. Holding silver for 10 years, 15 years, it's not an easy endeavor. It's not. And really, it is a test of patience to see, after 12 months, are we really going to get this metal to move to where it should belong? And I know I'm not the only person. I know many dealers who are swapping out gold for silver at this time. So I'm not the only one biting my nails. It is really a recipe for anxiety. It certainly is. Well, get your own silver. Click that link in the description. Thank you, Money Metals Exchange, for sponsoring this channel. It's a great contest. It's free. Get yourself 20 American Silver Eagles. Click that link. You should be the next winner on that list. I'll see you in the next video.